Hello everyone, and today's video we discuss the lesson 7. It's all about criminology and criminal justice. What is criminology? Criminology is the scientific study of crime, criminal behavior, and the criminal justice system. It seeks to understand why individuals commit crimes, how society responds to criminal activity, and how to prevent and control criminal behavior. Criminologists analyze various factors such as social, psychological, economic, and environmental influence to better comprehend the causes and consequences of crime. This field of study aims to contribute to the development of effective crime prevention strategies and informed criminal justice policies. What is criminal justice system? Criminal justice system refers to the agencies responsible for enforcing criminal law, including police, prosecutors, courts, and correction. It is the system of law enforcement that is directly involved in apprehending, prosecuting, defending, sentencing, and punishing those who are suspected or convicted of criminal offense. It is the system of practices and institutions of government directed at upholding social control, deterring and mitigating crime, or sanctioning those who violate law with criminal penalties and rehabilitation efforts.
Kinds of legal system. The first one is adversarial system or adversary system. The second one is inquisitorial system. So, what is adversarial system or adversary system? It is a legal system used in the common law countries where two advocates represent their parties, case or position before an impartial person or a group of people, usually a jury or judge who attempt to determine the truth and pass judgment according. The adversarial system is the two-sided structure under which criminal trial courts operate that puts the prosecution against the defense. And also, the adversarial system is characterized by an emphasis on the role of the parties in presenting and contesting the evidence. It is believed that this system allows for a thorough exploration of the facts and arguments, ensuring a fair process and the best possible outcome. However, critics argue that the adversarial system can be overly confrontational and may prioritize winning over discovering the truth. And the second one is inquisitorial system. Inquisitorial system, it is a legal system where the court or a part of a court is actively involved in the investigating the facts of the case, as opposite to an adversarial system where the role of the court is primarily that of an impartial referee between the prosecution and the defense. And also, this system is used in many civil law countries, including countries in Europe and Latin America. It is considered more efficient in some cases, as the judge has the power to actively investigate and ensure that all pertinent evidence is presented. However, critics argue that it can be put too much power in the hands of the judge and many limit the ability of defense lawyers to fully advocate for their clients.
What is due process? Part of the criminal justice is the due process. Ito ay isang bahagi ng hustisyang kriminal ay ang angkop na proseso. Due process refers to the idea that laws and legal proceedings must be fair. Dahil ang proseso ay tumutukoy sa ideya na ang mga batas ay legal na paglilitis ay dapat maging patas. A principle that the government must respect all of a person legal instead of just some or most of those legal rights. When the government deprives a person of life, liberty, or property. Isang prinsipyo na dapat igalang ng gobyerno ang lahat ng antas na katarungan ng isang tao ay karamihan sa mga legal na karapatang iyon. Kapag pinagkaitan ng gobyerno ang isang tao ng buhay kalayaan o ari-arian.
Law enforcement. This is failure to compose of law enforcement who serves as the forefront of criminal justice system of our country. They are the ones directly deal with the citizenry and directly compose the criminal element. There is therefore the necessary of members of this law enforcement agency to be well done oriented with the trend or ways of the civil society. What is law enforcement? Law enforcement, the department of people who enforce law, investigate crimes, and make arrests. The police, she works in law enforcement official in the area where alleged the suspect escape. And second, the prosecution. The prosecution function is loaded mainly with the National Prosecution Service. Under the Department of Justice, it is the composed of official, the chief statement prosecution, the regional state prosecutor's office, the provincial city prosecutor's office. What is prosecutors? Yung prosecutors are required to apply the law, criminal cases, protect the rights of the person involved in the criminal proceeding, respect human dignity and fundamental
Function of the Office of the Chief State Prosecutor: investigate, prosecute crimes, decide appeals from the decision of the provincial and city prosecutors, and investigate the administrative charge against the prosecutors. The Regional Prosecutor's Office is charged with the administrative tasks of the supervising and coordinating the performance of the provincial and city prosecutor. Within the region, the provincial and city prosecutor's office, the lowest in the administrative hierarchy, and the charge with the investigation and the prosecution of the all violation of the penal law and penal ordinance within their respective territorial judicial jurisdiction. The jurisdiction court, the jurisdiction is the final arbiter of the controversies of competing claims and interests, including the determination of the guilt of the innocent of a person charged with the commission of a crime. The jurisdiction in the court trial is composed of the Supreme Court, which is at the top of the judicial hierarchy, and the other court created by the law. The other court created by law are among others the Court of Appeals and the constitutionally Sandigang Bayan with the collective court and exercise appeal jurisdiction over the regional trial court.
The correctional institution, a third-person agency that is involved in the execution of punishment of convicts. Correctional institutions in the country are the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology under the DILG, Bureau of Correction under the Department of Justice, and correctional institution for youth offenders under the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Ayon dito, ang correctional institution ay isang pasilidad ng pagpapakulong na may layuning i-rehabilitate ang mga bilanggo at baba ng kriminalidad. Ito din ang nagbibigay ng mga program pang-edukasyon, panghanap buhay, at pang-kaalamang legal. Ang layunin nito ay bigyang kakayahan ang mga bilanggo na muling maging produktibong miyembro ng lipunan matapos ang kanilang paglaya. At isang halimbawa ng correctional institution ay ang New Bilibid Prison sa Muntinlupa City sa Pilipinas. Ito ang pinakamalaking piitan na sa bansa na may iba't ibang mga section tulad ng Maximum Security Compound, Medium Security Camp, at Minimum Security Camp. The New Bilibid Prison ay naglalayong magbigay ng rehabilitasyon, edukasyon at iba pang programang pang-rehabilitasyon sa mga bilanggo upang maibalik ang kanilang pagiging produktibo sa lipunan matapos ang kanilang paglaya. The community. The community refers to the various institutions in the community such as family, church, or religious organization, educational institution, private organization, and the like. These institutions in the community play a very important role in the criminal justice system. It is from their ranks that the offender come, and it is with them that will end up. The community can contribute to the criminal justice system is through early intervention and prevention programs, by working with at-risk youth, providing mentorship programs, and creating safe and supportive environments. Community organization can help steer individuals away from criminal behavior before it even occurs. Additionally, community institution can play a significant role in the rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders back into society. Programs that offer job training, educational opportunities, and counseling service can help individuals who have been involved in the criminal justice system to rebuild their lives and become productive members of society. Overall, the involvement of community organization in the criminal justice system is crucial because they have a direct connection to the offenders and the community at large by addressing underlying social issue, promoting positive values, and providing support. These organizations can help create an environment that prevents crime and support the rehabilitation of offenders.